Hi dear friends, good afternoon. Welcome to our online classes, all my dear students and viewers. Today I am going to teach our SST book, chapter 3. Your chapter name is More About the Earth. That means today we are going to discuss about our planet Earth. So dear students, let's come to the topic. Chapter 3, More About Our Earth. Dear students, in the previous chapter we discussed that the shape of the earth round like an orange. And in this chapter we know more about our earth. First, the flat end at the top is called the North Pole. This is North Pole and this is South Pole. The joint of the North Pole and South Pole is known as axis. That means which line joins North Pole to the South Pole? This one is called axis. It is an imaginary line. And next, movements of the earth. We know our earth movements oneself and this orbit of sun. So dear students, you think this is our sun and this is our specific orbit. This is a specific orbit in which our earth moves both movements. Earth shows two types of movements at the same time. That means earth moves two types of movements at the same time, like this. This is our earth and this is our sun. See this. Our earth moves like this. Like this. You see it properly like this. That means our earth moves two types of moves at the same time. One is rotation and another one is revolution. Rotation means the earth moves on its axis like a top. This movement of the earth is called rotation. That means जब अर्थ अपने चतुर्पार्श्व में एक फिक्स्ड ऑर्बिट में रोटेशन करता है उसको रोटेशन कहते हैं. लाइक दिस द अर्थ मूव्स ऑन इट्स एक्सिस लाइक ए टॉप. दिस मूवमेंट ऑफ द अर्थ इज कॉल्ड रोटेशन. It rotates from west to east. In which direction? West to east, and takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Now how many hours taken to complete one rotation? 24 hours. And the rotation of the earth on its axis causes day and night. Due to rotation of the earth causes day and night. Then what causes day and night? Rotation of the earth on its axis causes day and night. How many? Like this is our sun. When our earth rotation on its axis like this. This is our sun. Sun gives us like this side, but this side is dark. So when this side is day, this side is dark, and vice versa. When this side is day, this side is dark. That means it causes day and night. The side of the earth which faces the sun has day, and the other side has night. Like this, the other side which is dark gradually rotates towards the sun and the causes day on that side. That means जो साइड अर्थ के फेस है उसमें डे होता है और जो उसका अपोजिट साइड में उसमें रात होता है. नेक्स्ट, रिवोल्यूशन. रिवोल्यूशन मीन्स द मूवमेंट ऑफ द अर्थ अराउंड द सन इज कॉल्ड रिवोल्यूशन. रिवोल्यूशन मीन्स परिक्रमण. रिवोल्यूशन मीन्स परिक्रमण and rotation means आवर्तन. The earth takes 365 hours. That means the earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. It moves around the sun in a fixed path called the orbit. That means अर्थ का एक फिक्स्ड पाथ है ऐसे कि वो सन को रिवोल्यूशन करता है. उस फिक्स्ड पाथ को क्या बोलते हैं ना? ऑर्बिट. नेक्स्ट, ड्यू टू रिवोल्यूशन ऑफ अर्थ अराउंड द सन एंड द टिल्ट ऑफ इट्स एक्सिस कॉजेस द डिफरेंट सीजन्स. ड्यू टू रोटेशन डे एंड नाइट चेंजेस, बट ड्यू टू रिवोल्यूशन वी फील डिफरेंट सीजन्स. एंड नेक्स्ट, globe and map. Dear students, what is this? What is this? This is a globe. And what do we mean by globe? Globe is the model of the earth. It is usually fixed on a stand so that it may be rotated. It is fixed on a stand. This is stand, so it rotates. So it rotates. And since it is not possible to see the whole part of the earth at a time, that means we do not see whole earth at the same time. When we see whole earth of the whole part of the earth, we can move it. It also helps to locate the place on the earth's surface. It also helps to locate the place on the earth. So like this, we see also this is Russia country, and this is Europe. This is America, North America. It also helps to locate place on the earth. But it cannot see all the places of the earth at the same time, and we can only see half of its land. That means when we see this part, we do not see this part, and when we see this part, we do not see this part. Due to this problem, we make a map. Then we know what is map. This is the map. This is the picture of map. What is map? A map is the outline of whole or a part of the earth drawn on a piece of paper or cloth. That means earth map is an outline of whole or a part of the earth using paper or cloth. A map showing the whole surface of the earth is called a world map. जो मैप में अर्थ सरफेस का होल पार्ट दिखाई देता है उसको वर्ल्ड मैप कहते हैं. Maps can be big or small. That means maps have different sizes. Some are big and some are small. We draw large size map and hanging them on a wall. These maps are known as wall maps. Then what do you mean wall maps? Large size maps and hanging them on a wall. These maps are called wall maps. A map can be the whole world, a country, a state, or even a city. That means maps have also different names like a whole world, or a country, or a state, or even a city. That means a map at a particular subject, like कोई मैप में पूरा का पूरा वो वर्ल्ड लिखा जाता है, कहीं पर सिर्फ कंट्री को लेकर होता है, कहीं पर सिर्फ स्टेट के लिए होता है, और कहीं पर एक पर्टिकुलर सिटी के लिए भी होता है. ए बुक ऑफ मैप्स इज कॉल्ड एन एटलस. दैट मीन्स जो बुक में सिर्फ मैप के बारे में दिया है उसी मैप को क्या बोलते हैं, उस बुक को एटलस. उस बुक क्या बोलते हैं, एटलस. नेक्स्ट, it is not difficult to carry maps. We can fold or roll them and carry them. That means it is difficult to carry block. It is not difficult to carry maps because we can fold or roll them and carry them with us because it is lighter. And next, we know about continents and oceans. What is continents? The huge masses of land are called continents, and the huge areas covered with water are called oceans. Dear students, you look at see these maps. Huge part of water is called continents. Huge part of water is called continents. It is also colored with blue color. And a huge part of land is called continents. There are 7 continents and 5 oceans. Now we see 7 continents. First one is Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica and Australia. Dear students, once again, Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica and Australia. There are 7 continents on the earth and there are 5 oceans. This one is Pacific Ocean, this one is Atlantic Ocean, this one is Indian Ocean, this one is Antarctic Ocean, and this one is Southern Ocean. This one is Southern Ocean. According to their directions, they have different direction ocean like North Pacific Ocean, South Pacific Ocean, etc. And this is the map of our world physical. This is the map of our world physical. So dear students, next we know Asia is the largest continent. Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. Australia is the smallest continent. And among oceans, Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean, and the Indian Ocean. There are Indian Ocean. This is Indian Ocean. Due to our India country, this ocean name is Indian Ocean because it is most wide in our India. That means देखो इंडिया में सबसे अधिक उसका लंबाई और चौड़ाई है, इसलिए उसका नाम है इंडियन ओशन. नेक्स्ट, directions. Dear students, you know there are 4 directions. First one is east, west, north and south. When we stand in front of the sun, our front part is east, back part is west, and the left part is north and right part is south. Apart from these 4 main directions, and there are also 4 sub directions. This is the picture, you know, north, south, east, west, and there are also 4 sub directions. One is north and west. It lies between north and west. And second one is northeast. It lies between north and east direction. This is southeast. It lies between south and east direction. And this is southwest. It lies between south and west directions. That means there are 4 main directions and there are 4 sub directions. What is the help of our directions? These directions are also shown in the maps to help people find a place on it easily. That means directions help us to find a place easily. The top of the map shows the north and the bottom of the map shows south, and the right side of the shows the east and the left side of the west. Now you look at this map. North, west, east, south. That means north, south, east, west. This is the direction of map. And next, that is the picture of compass. That is the picture of compass. What do you mean compass? Compass is an instrument that helps us to find direction. That means it helps us to find directions. There is a magnetic needle which always points towards north and south. That means always magnetic needles points north and south. The dial of the compass is marked with the 4 main directions and 4 sub-directions. देखो, this is the east, west, north, south, and there are 4 main sub-directions: northwest, northeast, southeast, and southwest. In this compass, there are 4 main directions and also there are 4 sub-directions. When we face north, the direction to our right is east and to the left is west. When we stand our face north, then the right is east and the left is west. This is the chapter more about our earth. So dear students, now we discuss quick revision. First one. What is the flat top part of the earth is called? What is the flat top part of the earth is called? North Pole. North Pole. What is the movement of the earth on its axis called? What is the movement of the earth on its axis called? Rotation. On its axis, rotation. What causes day or night? The rotation of the earth on its axis causes day and night. Next. How much time does the earth take for one revolution? How much time? 365 days and 6 hours the earth takes for one revolution. The students, next. What is the difference between leap year? Do you know leap year? When a year contains with 366 days, days. This year is known as leap year. What is the difference between two leap years? 4 years. Difference between two leap years is 4 years. That means 1 year equal to 365 days प्लस 6 आवर. 4 ईयर में वो मिलाकर 6 आवर हो जाएगा 24 आवर्स, जो कि एक दिन होता है, इसलिए वो 366 डेज हो जाता है, उसको लीप ईयर कहते हैं. एंड क्विक इज द नेक्स्ट. Globe is the model of the earth. True or false? Globe is the model of the earth. Yes, globe is the model of earth. Next, it is very difficult to carry a map. No, it is very easy to carry a map, but it is very difficult to carry a globe. There are 7 continents in the world. Yes, there are 7 continents in the world. Pacific Ocean is the smallest ocean. No, Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Which ocean is the smallest ocean? Which ocean? This. In Antarctica Ocean is the smallest ocean. And a compass helps us to find direction. Yes, a compass helps us to find direction. Dear student, this is their hard copy in which I prepared some questions based on your topic and with their answer. You should write it in your SST copy and practice it. And lastly, I also gave some homework for you. Now you try to do this. Next class I will discuss answer of the homework and exercise of this chapter. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.